Hi, this is Yamez with Island Metal Forge. I'm doing a twist series today, and in this series I'm showing several different twists. This one is one of my most talked about, most requested tutorials. I believe I did one. This one's going to be a little bit more in depth. It's a very, very, very simple, elegant twist. There's not a lot of thinking to it. This is one of those that you feel because it's a natural twist. I am talking about the alligator twist. Again, as with the other videos, I have pre-cut, pre-ground the lines so that it saves time in the long run. Now you can cut, chisel, grind, however you want to achieve the result. Again, the different tools achieve a different result. I've noticed that especially with the alligator twist. Chiseled, it kind of pushes the metal out and it gives a little bit of a ridge. It's really cool. Grinding, it gives a real nice, definitive, deep cut, and it mushrooms the top, and it really, really pops. So all I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to heat it up, do a full twist on it, maybe, a twist and a half. It's a longer piece of bar, and once I get that twist, I'm going to make sure that the whole thing twists. If I have to reheat a little bit, or cool off another bit to keep it from twisting, so be it. Then I'm going to take it on the anvil and I'm going to round it out, making sure to push down all the nodes, all the little scales into a nice cobbled pattern, much like an alligator skin. So that will be the alligator skin twist. Finally, a in-depth, very close, up close, because I'm going to have the camera really close, tutorial for how to do this. Okay, that is my alligator twist. Not mine. I'm not the creator of the alligator twist. However, a lot of people love the way that I do it. Anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you. Twist again. One more thing before I let you get going. I didn't really explain this. This is a line down each center, and then chopped, chiseled or ground lines in a random pattern. It doesn't, it can be symmetrical, it can be not symmetrical, as long as they line up all the way around it. That's the key. So that's what that looks like. Pretty. Don't mind these. I got kind of carried away with the grinder. Enjoy. Alright, here's everybody's favorite, the alligator twist. Try and focus it. Alright. You all saw how I cut and chiseled it. Now I'm going to twist it, just a regular clockwise twist. Quarter, half, 3/4. Let's go with a full twist on this sucker. There we go. Alright. Let it go back a bit. Clean that off so y'all can see it. See the magic. And then this is one that I get to move over to the anvil and round this out. And you'll see why I do that. And I simply hammer down all those ridges. There we have the alligator twist. Let me cool it off for you. Alright, and there we have the alligator twist. It's very nice. It makes a great handle. It's smooth, it's comfortable, and it's very, very pretty, you know. This one, you experiment with size of the scale, amount of twists. You can give a reverse twist on it, you know, if you'd like, if you're feeling froggy about it. But, you know, another more intermediate to advanced twist. You know, I wouldn't call this an advanced twist, yet some people really want to learn it, and it's very easy to learn. Alligator twist. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is my fourth or fifth twist video, my fifth twist video, and in this series that I'm doing, I'm like a twist a day series, and yeah, if you don't already know, if you haven't watched all the other ones, this is Yamez with Island Metal Forge, and I'd like you to follow me on Facebook, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and follow me along. And I'm just a guy who's learning it as I go and sharing what I learn, doing what I can with what I got. Thanks for watching, and forge on. Thank you.